how to sign up or create an account on Flexii. If you want to sign up or create an account on Flexii, it's actually rather quite simple for us to do so. What we do is we go ahead and then basically launch the Flexii application first, and you go to the sign up button from the bottom. So what you do is first you enter your first name as well as also your last name over here. Then you enter your NRIC over here. So go ahead and then make sure to enter your NRIC. So let me go ahead and then enter my NRIC ID over here as well. Once you've entered your NRIC ID, you want to simply enter your date of birth. So here you can simply select the date that you were born in, right? So what you do is you go ahead and select your, first of all, your month. So go ahead and enter your month, then enter the date, and then enter the year. Once we've done that, so if it doesn't work, you can just try adding this little exclamation here. Then you hit the OK button. Now you enter the email address under which you want to register your Flexii account. Then you can simply choose a phone number, type in your password, reconfirm the password, then tap the sign up button to create an account on Flexii. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.